Is there a country with no government? Like, imagine humans have to decide everything by themselves. Why do we need government? But that'll be a problem because it'll be difficult to share resources. Will there be any rules? And who gives security? So these things have to be decided. But what is the future of governance? Just like anything, any evolution, do the governments evolve? And there have been a lot of different experiments in the past. For example, Auroville in India had its own way of running things. They had their own laws there. There have been a lot of experiments, and one of the latest experiments, seems very interesting, is network states, kind of a philosophy by Balaji, where a lot of things are being made by code. That is, a lot of law will be decided by code. As far as I understand, it seems to be like every voter or every citizen will not only be just a participant in choosing who rules, but also in policy making, the real politics, right? How interesting would that be, and how things will be influenced in that particular scenario? Seems again humans will be up to something, but at least it's an interesting experiment where relatively, let's say, like-minded people will get together and bring things into action via, let's say, higher amount of consensus. That is, not just 50% or something of the government being, if 50% more than 50% vote for a thing, it's considered a majority, and rest have to just adjust there. Probably a higher share of agreeableness, because the entire society state will be based on similar sort of values, which seems pretty useful. For example, let's say there is a city where people have agreed that there will be no cars, right? The transport will be a good amount of basic transport, let's say, whatever, road transport, state transport, whatever. And other than that, a lot of people will use bicycles, and there'll be cabs or emergency things. For example, Singapore, when we look at it, as far as I know, the number of cars are sort of limited there. Everybody can just go and buy a car. There's some sort of a lottery system which keeps the city from going an absolutely mess, which is preferred, right? This is one of the most useful troublesome areas for humans. So yeah, it's interesting. Do check out network states.